All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to try to make this quick because I want to get right to the point. 2018 Porsche Macan GTS, doing the RaceChip installation. I'm on the Macan forums, as you can see, and I've got the installation instructions right here. The installation instructions are a little bit shit because they come for the 2-liter turbo, which this does not have. This has the 3-liter turbo. Anyway, as you can see here, this kind of outlines where the locations are. I'm hoping this video will be a bit easier for people to find. Anyway, connection A goes right here, which is, if you're looking at the engine, it's on the you're looking at the passenger side, you're looking at the driver's side. On the driver's side, you can see that that's where A goes. So you plug A into there, you plug the sensor into A. B, let me move my iPad because that is a freaking $2,000 device. You want to go right here. So if you're looking, again, if you're looking at the engine on the driver's side, in America at least, you have over here, this is where B goes. So you plug B into your manifold pressure sensor, and then your manifold absolute pressure sensor, and you plug your race chip into that. So you have the race chip plugged into the manifold absolute pressure sensor from the ECU. The sensor itself gets the race chip, and this all goes to B. So B goes here, A goes here, and this is all on the driver's side. Then all you have to do is route it and plug it into your race chip. Should take you about 15 minutes in total. I don't know how long it will actually take you, but that's about it. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful. If you know someone doing this on a 3-liter and they can't find the instructions, link them to the Macan forums where I found this, or just link them to this video. All right, thanks.